Welcome back guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can create this particular pattern. Okay, so now first thing what you are going to do is put a box around it and write down how many rows you have and how many columns you have. So first here I have said that I will represent number of rows and J will represent number of columns. So first I is going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is what we have written over here. That is integer I should start from 1, I should be less than or equal to 5 and I plus plus. So inside the I loop, I'm going to run the J loop. Okay, so let's see how much J loop is. So J loop also starts from 1 till 5. So J should be less than or equal to 1. J should start from 1, J should be less than or equal to 5 and J plus plus. Inside the J loop, I'm going to write the conditional statement for these numbers to get printed. Okay, so at the beginning itself, I'm going to initialize a number which will be 1 because I want to see that particular number as 1. Okay, and here I'm going to say give the J condition. So first what you're going to do after putting down the number and putting the box, the next you're going to write down all the indexes of J where you want to see the number. Okay, so when I equal to 1, J value should be 1. Okay, only at J equal to 1 I want to see that number. So here at 2, 3, 4 and 5 I don't want to see. So the J conditional statement for I equal to 1 will be less than or equal to 1, like this. Okay, so the first condition is done. Okay, so if J value is less than or equal to 1, okay, here like this, so only in that case here we will print that particular number like this. Okay, now when this I value becomes 2, which means the line has changed like this. Okay, only in that case I will increment the value of number to 2. Okay, that's why I have given here num plus plus. Okay, so whatever number we have taken here becomes 2 and then J less than or equal to I here. Okay, for the next condition of I, that is I equal to 2. So I want to see the number at index 1 and index 2. Okay, so here the conditional statement will change like this. J should be less than or equal to 2. Okay, so we are going to see that particular number 2 over here. And when the line changes, I becomes 3, here I want to see the number only at 1, 2 and 3 index. So the conditional statement becomes less than or equal to 3. So next, again when the line changes, here write down all the indexes of J where you want to see the number. Okay, so here the J condition changes to like this. I should be less than or equal to 4. And here when I equal to 5, I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At all the indexes of 1, 2, 3 and 5 I want to see. So J condition changes from J should be less than or equal to 5. Okay, so here I'm going to say the final J condition, means I'm standardizing the J condition like this, and that is what we have written over here. Okay, so J should be less than or equal to I. So here when I is 1, J also is 1. So that satisfies the condition. So here when I is 2, J also will be less than or equal to 2, like this. Okay, then when I is 3, J also will be less than or equal to 3. So that also condition satisfies. So we have to write if J is less than or equal to I. Okay, we are going to print that particular number. So let's do that here inside the program. So here before starting the I loop, I'm going to say integer number is equal to 1, give semicolon at the last. Okay, now when it comes inside the J loop, okay, I will write in an if condition saying that if J is less than or equal to I, okay, then only you print that particular number like this. Okay, or else it has to print space. So in double quotes I have given a little bit of space like that. Okay, and when the J loop ends, I want to change the line. So when it changes the line, the number starts again from the I loop. Okay, so this time the number has been incremented to 2. So here after the system.out.println line, I'm going to say number plus plus, give here semicolon. So let's save this program and let's run it once. Okay, run pattern programs. So we are going to see that particular pattern printed like this. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.